Hey everybody, Ed with Trek Aviation Media. We're going to head over to PDX right now. We're going to get some sunset spotting in. We've got that extra hour of daylight. We really appreciate that because we've got some heavy metal coming in, and I think the lighting is going to be just, well, maybe not perfect, but I've got clouds and stuff. But let's give it a shot. It's also really windy. Today has been a very, very windy day out here. So I think the winds are coming from the south. We are running 28 right, 28 left, which is a positive because I do enjoy filming from the long-term parking garage. You get a better view of the end of the runway for 28 left. So that's where we're going to go today. But man, it's going to be windy. Everybody, test. This is Trek Aviation Media. I've got a brand new mic here. I'm hoping that it is taking down a lot of the wind, but we have some new shots here. Boy, it got busy all of a sudden. A lot of Embraers coming in. As soon as I arrived, the line of aircraft started coming in, and I did not have time to get a proper setup. I don't even have my scanner out yet. Just trying to get these videos for you all. I'm hoping we can get a little bit of video before all the rain comes in. I did not think there was any. So let's just see what that. Rise up just a little here. Sorry. There we go. can smell the rubber. The wind is pushing it over. The wind's coming from the south, so you can absolutely smell the rubber. Let's see, the wind is too. Oh, Jesus. Oh, fudge. Oh, man. Woo. I turned around. Oh, no. Okay, hold on. Oop. Okay, it's windy. I'm sure you can pick that up. Current setup here is my camera on a tripod and my scanner and flight tracker. It's super windy, and I've got moisture coming in right behind me, as you can see here. So we're holding out to make sure, hopefully, that it doesn't rain, at least in the next hour. I've already dropped the camera, so hey, go Canon, because it's still going. It fell off that tripod on down to the parking lot surface. Got a nice nasty scratch, but other than that, it's still working, so I'm happy with that. All right. Okay, on final here, Alaska 1065 from Santa Ana, California. Have just come by at one time. Everybody.
Bravo 2. Did you experience the wind shear? Bravo 2. I'd say we were kind of plus or minus 5 there. It settled down a little, but it's still, I would say, it's a continuous flight all the way down. Nothing for 4 times that ground every time.
You can smell it again. Smell that burnt rubber. Oh, it gets strong. Okay, other side. Much bigger. Just can't get a good view over there. Be right back. I'm going to take us over here. Yeah, I think I see the tail moving. Oh, I see a tail taxiing on the other side. Bounce between the two. Let's see who's taxiing over on the other side here. So, like I said, we're underneath on the 4th floor parking garage and long-term parking. And if I just come over this way, I can catch that end of the line.
Wind 2007, runway 28 left, clear for takeoff. Clear for takeoff.
That is beautiful lighting. Go back further. Stop right there, stop right there, stop right there. Oh. Somebody just landed.
Kind of ground by there. Ground by there.
5-6 Julia Papa from Midland, Texas. Lear 45. So on this runway here, we have Jazz, which we just saw. They're going up to Vancouver.
So that round 121.8.
Hey everybody, British Airways going to London has just taxied around the corner. So I'm hoping to be able to see them. But since we lost our Learjet's view, let's go take a look at Jazz going to taxi around. taxi.
Tower 3427, wind 207, runway 211, take off. Group take off 211, snow wind 3427. I've got 1295, Portland Tower, runway 211, flapping away. 1295.
That's Alaska 1295 to San Francisco on the 737-800.
Done contact departure. Alaska 1295, wind 2107, runway 211, clear for takeoff. Clear left, clear for takeoff, wind 1295.
British Airways 26 coming around the corner.
Stop that small, turn you up and ready. Stop wind at 2106, fly heading 275, runway 28 right, clear for takeoff.
Just gonna move for a little bit.
After 1295, contact departure.
I'm also going to watch Jazz take off first here, and then we'll catch that 730 or 787, the Dreamliner. There we go. Oh, 1, 2, which one is it going to be? No, we're going to go to the Dreamliner here. And we will follow the Dreamliner as they taxi. Dreamliner take off here, and then that'll probably call it a night for us. Oh, they're towing a Delta jet. Oops. Bye-bye. Here we go. I think I see their tail over there, turned at the end of the runway. Yep, and it's moving.
3148 point there, wind 240 at 10 gust 14.
There's a
left, clear land. There's the land.
See if we can get that takeoff all the way back there. Let me zoom out here, see where they might go. There they are. Well, thank you, everybody. Thank you, everyone, for tuning in today. Appreciate your support. If you haven't already, we'd appreciate a like and subscribe to Trek Aviation Media, your place for Northwest Airport spotting.